How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove your Gmail account from another device. So if you want to remove your Gmail account from another device, there are different ways of doing it. So the first method is you can change your password, and after you make changes with your password, you can just tap on sign out of all devices, and in order to log in you'll need to enter in the updated password. Only then you'll be able to log in. But then the easier way is that what you can do is you can just go to your Gmail account or open up the Gmail application, and while you're on this page, select the specific account that you wish to remove the account from another device. Tap the try bar icon from the top right to the bottom, go to settings. Once you tap on the settings button, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to be specific. So for that, go ahead and select the particular account that you wish to remove the device. Now tap on manage your Google account from the top and go to security. While you're on security, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see your devices, and over here you'll be able to see all of the devices that your account is currently logged in. So select the particular device from where you actually want to remove your account, and after that it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to select the device once again and tap on sign out. So click on the sign out button, and as soon as you've done that, for the confirmation you might be asked to type in the password, and once done entering the password, you've successfully removed your Gmail account from another device. So in this way you can remove your Gmail account from another device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.